Hello everyone, I welcome you all to One Stop Investment YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share with you how to use GTT feature in Zerodha Kite so that you can trade or invest in a more efficient way. Are you at a day job or away from tracking the price during the market hours, and sometimes because of that you may miss your chance to trade a good setup. So in that case, what if someone places the order for you? This sounds exciting, right? Then this GTT feature in Zerodha will give you an edge to trade on your predefined levels. So before going into the video, I am Jay Shiva, who writes personal finance and investment related articles in onestopinvestment.com. So please do check the link in the description box to read more on the investment related post. What is GTT? Goods Till Triggered Order. GTT is a feature which allows you to set the trigger price. If your trigger price is hit, then it will place a limit order as per the limit price set by you. If you are outside and the current market price reaches your trigger price, the GTT will place the limit order for you. What are the limitations GTT has? It works only for the cash and carry orders, not for the intraday. If the trigger is met on the day, the limit order is not met on the same day, the GTT will expire on the same day. You can have only maximum of 50 pending GTT orders. There are two types of GTT features. One is single trigger, the other is OCO trigger. One cancels the other. Now we will see its type more detailed in a Kite web. So first we will see the single trigger. So once you logged into Zerodha web, go to orders page. The orders page you will find GTT next to orders. So click on that. So you will have create GTT. Then type any stock. So I'll go with the ITC. Now just scroll down and you will see create GTT. In the single trigger type, you can either buy or sell a stock at a particular level. So you need to enter the trigger price and quantity and the limit price. I am using TradingView for the charts. This is the ITC chart in a daily time frame. You see the support at 191 and the resistance around 209.40. So to have a breakout, the stock should cross 209.4. So this should be our trigger price. So from 196, the stock should trade above 210 to have a breakout. So now in the GTT window, you need to enter the trigger price as 209.4, which is our resistance. Enter the quantity as per your position sizing risk management. Enter the limit price, that is 210. Now click the place button and you will see an active GTT order. Now once the price crosses 209.4, GTT will place a limit order at 210 for the quantity you have given. Now we will see the other type of GTT, that is OCO. One cancels the other. Now go to the GTT tab and click the Create GTT button again. So again we will enter the same stock, that is ITC, in the underlying, and again click the create GTT button. So now in the GTT window, the OCO order will be disabled because this feature is applicable only for stocks which are already in your current holdings. So you need to change the transaction type from buy to sell and it will be enabled. Now you need to enter two trigger price, that is one will be stop loss, the other will be target price. So again for the stop loss and target price, go to trading view and use the long position tool. So if you see the current position, we have a target of 30 points from the entry and 19 points stop loss. We will see how we can automate these levels in OCO trigger type. In the stop loss section, enter the limit price at 191 and 240 in the target price. Now the next step is the trigger price. For the stop loss trigger price, it should be higher than the limit price, that is 191.5, and for the target price it should be lower than the limit price, that is 239. Again to recap, in the OCO GTT, stop loss trigger price should be higher than the limit price and the target trigger price should be lower than the limit price. Because once the market price is going down, we need to place the order before it is going to hit the stop loss price. Also, if it is moving up, we need to place our limit order before our target price. Once you have given all the trigger prices and limit orders, now place the order. Now you will see an active OCO GTT order. Likewise, you can have maximum of 50 GTT orders in Zerodha. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and click the bell icon for the instant updates on One Stop Investment Channel.